T-fal titanium non-stick dishwasher safe cookware fry pan with lid, 10-inch, black. Built to perform, a true workhorse in the kitchen, hard anodized aluminum retains perfect heat and has a much stronger protective layer than the original metal, making it corrosion and scratch resistant, plus it won't react to acidic foods. Heat Mastery System. T-fal's Heat Mastery System is a 3-ingredient recipe for perfectly delicious cooking results every time. Superior and longer-lasting non-stick coating, an anti-warping, even heat base and patented Thermo Spot technology. Thermo Spot indicator. The ring around the spot turns solid red to show when pans are perfectly preheated and ready for ingredients to be added. Proper preheating is key to sealing in flavor and cooking food evenly. Durable non-stick, hard titanium reinforced, scratch-resistant and toxin-free non-stick interior stands up to everyday use and keeps food sliding smoothly along the surface, making cooking easier and cleanup a breeze. Riveted handles and vented lids. Riveted silicone handles are designed for comfort and safety. Vented tempered glass lids maintain visibility while trapping enough heat and moisture for perfect results every meal. Use and care. Suitable for all stove tops, except induction. Oven safe up to 400° Fahrenheit. Lids up to 350° Fahrenheit. Dishwasher safe, pfoa, lead, and cadmium free. Lifetime limited warranty. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.